The type of book you're printing also determines the files we'll need. A PDF with single pages in the correct order is usually enough. However, there's an exception: board books. For these, we need spreads. A spread shows 2 pages as they appear when opened side by side. Presenting 2 pages together this way allows for stunning visual effects, with designs and illustrations flowing seamlessly across the fold to create a cohesive and engaging experience. It changes the possibilities for artists, who often prefer to avoid graphics that span across pages due to the limited openness of traditional books. The good news is, for any experienced artist, preparing files correctly for both board books and other formats should be a breeze. The correct format is a technological requirement. Take advantage of this step. If you don't, we'll have to ask for corrections, which can delay your project.